Hello, beautiful aspirants. I hope you are doing great and beautiful in your life as well as in your studies. Welcome to the CGB Mentors. My name is Sonika Seni, and today we have a different kind of video. That is, we are going to discuss about the salary and the total perks and the allowances that NABARD Grade A officer or NABARD gives you to a Grade A officer. ठीक है? I know कि for some it is less important, है ना? होता है because one has to be in the government job, be it NABARD, be it RBI, be it PO, or any kind of examination in which you are interested in. But for most of the aspirants and most of the students, it is really important, and it should be. Why not? Right? It is a part of the life, and it works as a monetary incentive, not incentive, or a monetary motivation to you, right? So कि कितना सैलरी है, why? Because you are investing a lot of time, you are investing a lot of energy and resources to it, and सबको पता होना चाहिए. So let's not waste time, and I shall show you the Excel, and that is basically the salary slip, right, of one of our ex-aspirant. ठीक है? So this is the we will discuss in detail. ठीक है? We'll be quickly discussing in detail each and everything. Correct? So this is the basic pay, right? So the NABARD gives you about 62,000. How much? 62,500 basic pay. Then there is grade allowance. एक allowance होता है जिसका नाम होता है grade A allowance. It is about 15.5 of basic pay. So whatever is your basic pay, उसका 15.5% would be this. That is 14,300. Okay. Then there is special grade allowances of 3850. Allowances that is related to the recruitment, right? That is related to the recruitment. That is about 26.5% of basic pay. Like grade allowances of 15.5, it is 26.5 of basic pay. तो अपना ये हो गया, ये हो गया. Now, so one is learning allowance, which is 3300. Now on these four items, one, right? One is this, one is basic pay, two is grade A, grade allowance, three is this thing, special allowances, and fourth is learning allowances. Now on that, on these four parts, you will be adding what? Dearness allowance. What is dearness allowance? आपको पता होगा that anything that is related to the aspect of inflation, your salary increases, right? So इन चारों पे आपका क्या लगता है? Dearness allowances लगता है, which is approximately 27.5%, right? And this अगर हम उन सबका ऐड करेंगे तो it becomes 28,284 rupees. That means इन चारों पे अगर आप DA लगाते हो, ठीक है, as per this latest DA, which is 27.5, you will get 28,284. ठीक है? Then post that you have local compensatory allowances, special compensatory allowances. Then you will get family allowances, right? This is your salary and this is your allowances. Then city compensatory allowances of 3845. Then this is special prerequisite allowances, that is of 6500. So NABARD basically reimburses a part of your income tax, that is a part of this prerequisite allowances, which makes a total of 1 lakh. How much? 1,51,454 rupees. ठीक है? Now, let's come to this part, right? There will be some changes, not yet. These changes have been not yet made, but since RBI is done, so it is said that when RBI as an institution does this, NABARD also does this, right? So we will read out it as per the old norms and as per the new norms. क्या होगा, right? क्योंकि हमें तो यही पढ़ना in the sense कि ऐसा होगा. So we have a conveyance allowance of 21,000, which is not changed, right? Equipment maintenance, that is 1,200, right? So this is approximately 200 liters in your big cities like metro cities, 150 liters, right? Then we have landline or communication charges. इसका नाम बदल के communication charges कर दिया landline का, which is 2,400. Previously it was 1,030. Then household expenses of 10,400. पहले 6,500 थे. Internet. See, this internet and knowledge updations have been merged together. This is the old norm. Now it has been merged together and it is now 4,200 rupees. तो initial क्या होता था पहले 35,030 were these other, we can say the other allowances, which would now be increased to 41,000, right? Approximately 41,000. So in this 1,51,000, I can add this 41,000, and this is NABARD contribution, है ना? Anyways पढ़ा होगा NABARD contributed to your salary, that is about 9,216. So the total is 2 lakh, right? 2,01,780. This is your actual, right? This is your actual salary plus the allowances plus the changes as per the new norms, right? Now, this is something which you'll get, right? in hand. But then see, you will be having all these other things also, right, which can be like in once in 2 years, once in 5 years, right? For example, the coupons for your groceries or for your food, right, that is approximately 5,000, right, which is new में आपके 7260 होंगे, right? Old it was 5,000 rupees, अभी कितना है 7260, बहुत होता है इतना. देन स्पेक्टिकल अलाउंसेस, चश्मा देंगे आपको, ठीक है, 12,000 रुपीज इन 2 years. Once in 2 years they will give you 12,000, unchanged है. Then furniture allowances, right? Furniture allowances is once in 5 years, that is 3,70,000, right? And this 37,000 fees for the maintenance. That means you maintain the furniture. When you buy it, you maintain it. 37,000 is for your maintenance. Then briefcase allowances, that is, I think ये हट गया है क्योंकि न्यू में ये नहीं डाला है, तो it has been merged to this maintenance of the furniture only. So the briefcase allowances has been removed. Then children education allowances, which means like suppose you have a child, so up to two children, they will give you 13,500, which has now been increased to what, 16,300 लिखा है ना यहाँ पे. So let's read out new only. 16,300 for up to 2 children. That means this is per child, and if you multiply it by 2, that is for the education of your child. ठीक है. Then medical allowances is yearly 22,000. Then LTC is leave travel concession, है ना, घूमो फिरो नाचो गाओ. नहीं घूमना फिरना तो पैसा विड्रॉ कर सकते हो आप. That is 31,300. Laptop है ना, that is you get once in 4 years. That is this thing 40,000. बहुत ज़्यादा वो कर लिया मैंने डार्क. Let's erase this. 40,000 rupees. ठीक है. Now besides that, so what we have done this old plus new, ठीक है, जिसमें आपको न्यू वाला देखेंगे तो it is 141,110 with the salary of 1 lakh approximately 1.5 lakh and this NPS thing, तो आपका कितना हो जाता है 2,01,000, right? And if you add all these, right, if you add all these, correct, plus इसमें एक जो चीज नहीं है और आपको पता भी होगा, that is HRA, है ना, your household expenses. Household expenses तो हो गया आपका घर, ठीक है, रहने के लिए जो भी होता है. So NABARD usually provides you quarters, ठीक है, they provides you quarter. That is approximately, let's say 10 to 12K. So if we say like I have not added it because वो आपका cash in hand में नहीं आएगा, इसमें आपको quarter दे दिए जाएंगे, but it is a kind of allowance, it is a kind of benefit that is being provided to you. So अगर आप ये सब पूरा टोटल करते हो ना, सब पूरा टोटल करते हो, so your total, ठीक है, जो आपने कमाई की है ना साल में, that is more than 25 lakh rupees, ठीक है. तो अब आप एवरेज निकाल लेना मंथ का, it is more than 2 lakh, right? That is more than 25 lakh rupees, right? So this was it, guys. This was a salary slip. Mostly aspirants want to know, and it really works sometimes as a motivation. It do works, okay? That is also the reality, right? Be it any situation. So I hope it has helped you in knowing the background of your salary and if your allowances, right? And so अभी जम के पढ़ाई करो, ये एटलीस्ट ये 2-3 दिन तक तो ये मोटिवेट करना चाहिए आपको. And for more information, you can mail to us, right? You can comment for our courses. Till then, take care.